Sketch the graph of fx equals to 5 minus absolute value of x plus 1. Find its domain and range. Okay, so the first step is to find the vertex points. Okay, so let us write down in the form of the general form of modulus, which is a modulus x minus h plus k. So if we can compare with our function, let us rearrange. Okay, so negative x plus 1 plus 5. So the vertex point hk is, okay, compare, h is negative 1 and k is 5. Okay, k is 5. Alright, so let's draw on the same time. Okay, while we're looking for the rest of the points, let us put the vertex point on the graph first. Okay, negative 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere here. Okay, so let us put some marks there. Okay, that is the vertex. Okay, second is, so since our a is negative, so the shape is going to be the opposite of v. Okay, right, so if it look like that, then it's possibility of having a y-intercept and x-intercept. Okay, so let us find the intercept first. Okay, so intercepts, so when x is 0, so here is 0. Okay, then y is negative 0 plus 1 plus 5. So negative modulus 1 plus 5. Modulus 1 is a 1. So negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay, so the y-intercept is 4. And let's find the x-intercept. So when y equals to 0, so negative x plus 1 plus 5 equals to 0, then x plus 1 equals to 5. Then if we change it into two values, x plus 1 equals to positive 5, or x plus 1 equals to negative 5, x equals to 4, or x equals to negative 6. So we're going to have two values here. Okay, x equals to 4 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equals to 4, and x equals to negative 6. Ooh, negative 6 is kind of, we have to make this axis goes longer. Okay, I think we should have reduce the scale here. Okay, so this is probably negative 1, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 6, is it the x-intercept? Yep. So negative 6 is negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, somewhere about here. Okay. Okay, now let us draw the lines. Okay, so the x-intercept, the y-intercept, so this is the vertex points. Let us connect these two lines. Okay, brackets, another line, okay, so that is the graph. Okay, so now find its domain and range. Okay, so we know that, okay, the domain for this graph is negative infinity to positive infinity, and the range is, okay, starting from below, okay, there always be graph, right, until to the maximum of a y is 5. Okay, so negative infinity until positive 5 square brackets.